basic shape. So here I choose the shape. Okay, then I press the Ctrl key, then drag this, and a new slide similar to the previous one will appear. Okay, then again I need to create another pattern. So again I go to home, insert, shape, and need to create a right triangle. So you need to rotate the triangle to fill this area. So rotate horizontal. So now you can fill this white area. So now you need to create another shape like this, but little bit smaller. So press the Ctrl key and drag this and squeeze it like this shape, and correct the shape by clicking this yellow. You need to present this shape into the backward side. So you right click this shape and select send to back. So now it can moving the backward side of this slide. Then you need to click the tree shape, okay, and make it format mark shape union. So now they are union, so now they can move with each other. So you need to fill the shape with a image. So you need to right click this shape and select the format shape and select the fill and select the picture or texture fill. So you can insert a picture by clicking this file option, or you can use a picture from online. Okay, so click this image, desktop, travel photographer. So now you can see this image appear into this 3 slide. So now next step is to increase the width of this image and slightly slide this image. Okay, so now you can change the shape fill. So again, format shape, solid fill. Now you can choose any color you want, or something like that. Okay, now you can insert another shape to cover the backward side. So you choose a rectangle and draw a rectangle over the previous image. So now you can again right click it and select send to back. So now this image covers the backward side of this front. To write in this area, you need to insert a text box. So now you can insert another text box to descriptive about this image. So now you can choose a text box. So thank you. In this way you can make a better poster using Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to know how to design this type of slide and poster, so you can see the other video of this channel. So stay tuned with StudyTube. See you again. Thank you.